Hey Johnny, what are we doing?
Making a birthday cake.
Making a birthday cake for who? For Miss Lily. Are you excited, Lily? Are you gonna help too?
Mommy, come on, Lil. Mommy too.
You wanna help too? Okay.
Oh, careful. How much is that? Just about?
Yeah, maybe just like a touch. I think a lot of it got on the floor, Auntie or Mummy. We're gonna need a broom here eventually.
Shake it, Mom. Shake it.
Oh, good job. You guys want to give it a stirry stir? Okay, I'll give it a stirry stir, and then John give a stirry stir.
You turn, Johnny.
Good job, guys. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am in Crystalline's kitchen. She is allowing us to use her oven to bake these cakes and cupcakes. So for those of you that don't know and don't follow me on Instagram, our oven broke, and so they're taking like a week to fix it, and we have 3 birthdays this week. So Crystalline's letting me use her kitchen and her oven, and yeah, we're gonna kind of bake these cookies and decorate them together. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Good job.
There we go.
Thank you so much. Tap, tap,
There
tap.
we go.
You want a stirry stir again? Johnny's such a good stirry stirrer.
And shake it.
Oh, you're gonna shake it. Is that what the pros do? Oh, wow.
Good work, bud.
You're supposed to use this.
Okay. Oh, can you show me?
Okay.
Okay. You show me how it works.
First,
Oh, God.
like that.
Oh, and then it gets all of it out. Wow. Show me again.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Oh, wow.
Now it's your turn.
Now my turn? Well, let's see if I can get it, okay?
Go like this.
Okay, let's see. Ready?
Ready. It gets all of it out.
Wow.
Then it's your turn.
Okay. All right, we have the cupcakes all ready to go in the oven. We're gonna bake them, and then we're gonna decorate them tomorrow. And Crystalline made these out of like chocolate. She just did it. Like, look at them. They're so cute. Little snowflakes for the frozen cupcakes. So for Addie's cake, I just put together some strawberries, bananas, and applesauce and blended it together. Then we're gonna mix it with this flour mixture that Johnny mixed up, didn't you, bud? Yeah, good helper, hey? We're gonna mix them together and then add some vanilla and stuff over here and mix it all together to bake her cake. All right, here are the cupcakes, really exciting. And then there's like 2 little ones here. And then Adeline's cake, it's kind of like a hot mess. We'll see how that turns out. It's a healthier cake. And then we are actually going to like just cut little circles and then stack a cake and put some icing on it. And I just thought I'm probably gonna have to make like a big unicorn one for Adeline's cake, which I didn't think about. So we're gonna have to do that too, and we'll continue it tomorrow. So I'll be like dressed differently and whatnot. And yeah, we're actually gonna be decorating them on my birthday, which is really exciting. That's kind of that. Like I said, we will see you guys tomorrow. Daddy's the best, hey? Daddy got me a brand new camera for my birthday. Thanks, Daddy.
It's
Thanks, Lily. Okay, so I just got to Crystalline's house, like obviously just finished getting ready. We had some waffles for breakfast, as you saw, and I'm still in shock that Aaron got me a camera. So I'm filming on my phone like I normally do right now because I need to like charge the camera, and then I'm not sure when I will switch over to the camera. So maybe the end of today, maybe not until like the birthday vlog. Okay, we got our icing mix up. We're gonna add in some food coloring. We're gonna do purple, blue, and pink for sure. Maybe a yellow. We haven't decided yet. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 layers. We're gonna do a blue layer, a white layer, and then a purple layer to make the tri-colored. This is from YouTube. You can see we added some sparkles and we added the snowflakes as well. So that is kind of how they turned out. If you enjoyed this bake with me, I would love to know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this. And we will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.